Hello everyone, I wanted to share with you another lovely order from Kelly. It just shows you what stock we have available. So these are 12mm silver earring studs with bullet backs. These are 6mm earring pads with butterfly backs. These are 4mm earring pads with silicone earring backs. Then we have some lovely glass paw print cabochons. We have some ladybird 12mm cabochons. These are mixed animal print, and I know this customer likes vibrant colours. We have some resin 12mm marble effect cabochons. We have some orange resin druzy cabochons, great for Halloween. We have some 12mm, these are available in different sizes, resin opalite, and these are cabochons. We have some black sparkly 12mm cabochons, again great for Halloween. I think they're all 12mm. These are foil resin cabochons, so that they're green, gold, silver. We have some purple scale cabochons, great for dragon mermaid jewellery. We also have some pink ones, blue ones, these would be nice for Christmas. They're resin, if I can turn them over. These would be great for Christmas. They're resin druzy white, sparkly. Great for the party season. These are another type. These always remind me of snow. Those are nice. Those are 12mm. Resin cabochons. And lastly, we have green flamingo glass cabochons, 12mm. So thank you so much for your orders, we really appreciate them. Everything ordered up till now will go out today. I'm completely up to date, but it just helps you see some of the stock in real life. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.